Well, hello and welcome to Rosalie's Kitchen. Now, you all know that I'm the author of Rosalie Serving Country and Rosalie Serving Italian. And you can get my book by just emailing me at rosalieserving.com and I'll be sure to ship you one. They are fabulous. Okay, well, today we're going to deviate just a little bit from those books and we are really going to step out on the limb, guys. Okay. This is the month of October, and you know, we have to celebrate our wonderful pumpkin. Oh, the pumpkin pies and all the wonderful things that we love to do in the cakes and puddings. But today we're going to put it in our pasta sauce. Well, we're going to try. And if you guys don't like it, just remember, you have to live and you have to try things at least once, right? Okay, so we're going to start off with your pan right here. We've got it turned on to simmer. And you want to bring this actually to a gentle boil. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and use a cup and a half of half and half. So we're going to pour that right in here, our cup and a half of half and half. And then we're going to add to that a cup and a half of whole milk. So what we want is 3 cups of milk here. And that's our 3 cups. Okay, so we're going to come right over here, and this is called Pumpkin Alfredo over Linguini. Okay, we're going to pour it right in here, and we're going to bring this to a gentle boil, just almost like a simmer. We don't want to sear this milk or scald it, but we do want it to be good and warm. Okay, next, we're going to just wait till that boils, but while it's doing that, we're going to fix up our pumpkin. This is a 15-ounce can of Libby's pumpkin, but you can use your own. And we have some pumpkin shells right back here, which I have scooped out this week and baked. And you can do that, but I'm going to do this for your convenience because I don't know if all of you have the patience for that, baking the pumpkin. But here is our 15-ounce can of Libby's pumpkin. And to that, we're going to come over here and we're going to do a half a teaspoon of apple pie spice right in there, just like we were going to make a pumpkin pie. Now, why am I not using the pumpkin pie spice? Well, I thought it was just a little too strong, but the apple pie spice with the sweet cinnamon was just right. And then we're going to use a half a teaspoon of nutmeg. And then we're going to come over here and we're going to sweeten this up just a little bit with a tablespoon of brown sugar. Maybe just a little extra, maybe a tablespoon and a half. Alright, and we're going to mix this up together right into the pumpkin. We're going to add to that mixture a half a teaspoon of our salt. And you can always add more to this or tweak it the way you want to when you get that going. We're going to add a little bit of our cracked pepper also. And that is our pumpkin mixture. Now, to our mixture right here, and it is getting nice and warm for us, we're going to put it up just a little bit so that it does its simmer. And we'll be back in just a minute. So get out your pencil and paper, get this recipe down. Okay, well, we're back, guys, and now our cream mixture here, our milk and our half and half looks really good. It's simmering gently. We're going to add a half a cup of our Parmesan cheese. We're just going to gently fold that in and let it melt right into the hot mixture. Next, we're going to add fresh sage leaves, and I have chopped these up, and you can get these in the grocery store. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of the fresh sage leaves, and we'll give it a nice flavor. Next, we're going to go ahead and fold in our pumpkin that we've added a half teaspoon of allspice, apple pie spice, and the half teaspoon of nutmeg, and the tablespoon and a half of our brown sugar. A half teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of our cracked black pepper. And if you'd like to add more salt, or tweak this in any way with your spices, you're welcome to do that. And now that we've got our pumpkin mixture all in there nicely, it's looking so beautiful, we're going to reach right back here and we're going to boil 12 ounces of our fettuccine. Actually, this is linguine. It's a little bit not so thick as the fettuccine. We're just going to put that into our boiling water and give that a stir. And when you come back, it'll all be ready to put over on the linguine. I hope you like this dish. Gotta try it. Well, here we are, guys, and our linguine is beautiful. It's boiled to al dente, just like we want it. We're going to put it right into our pumpkin sauce now. And we're going to go ahead and add a tablespoon or two of butter. And this is going to get a nice creamy flavor to it. And we're going to just mix that in and let that butter just melt right in there with the linguine. Wow, doesn't that look delicious? Okay, and we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to use our pumpkin that we have, we've earlier baked it and scooped out our meat. We're going to go ahead and put our fettuccine noodles right, or our linguine noodles right into the pumpkin. Wow, look at that. Won't that be impressive for your guests tonight? And we're going to add our gravy on the top of that. We might have to get another bowl here or a cup to help us. We'll just do that right now. Put that sauce right on the top. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Pumpkin Alfredo over linguine. There it is. Now we're going to add just a little touch of our salt on the top and the black ground pepper. And why don't we just put in a sage leaf? Oh man, I can't wait till you taste this dish. It's really, really good. And don't forget, if you want me to come to your house for a private cooking class, I'll be glad to do that. You know, they have been doing that lately and it's been so much fun. 2 weeks ago we had 8 ladies and we cooked till the cows came home. It was wonderful. So just email me at rosalieserving.com and ask me about a private cooking class. And don't forget to make this pumpkin fettuccine tonight. Love you. Okay, bye. And let me correct that email. It's Rosalie at rosalieserving.com. So be sure to let me know if you'd like a cooking class. And let me know how you love this pumpkin Alfredo sauce over linguine. Bye.